Hi everybody, welcome to Monday's content work. This week you are going to choose an animal to learn about. So right now you should be on this button right here. You click play for today's instructions. That's number 1 activity. So I'm going to explain the project to you and what your objectives are. So we're learning about animals. Our objectives are to choose an animal to learn about. This is an animal of your choice. You're going to learn facts about your animal, including the habitat, the diet, and then other fun facts. And you're going to create an animal with materials you find in your home. So just to make sure you're clear, vocabulary words are habitat, which means where an animal lives, so maybe desert, forest, or grassland. And the diet is what your animal eats. So maybe it eats plants, maybe it eats other animals. So if it eats specific other animals, you can list those. Maybe it eats insects. What does your animal eat? So for this project, you're listening. Here are your steps. You're going to listen to the instruction video. You're going to choose an animal, research your animal. You're going to create your animal, and then complete your seesaw assignment. So those are your 5 steps for the week. And your suggested timeline, which means how long this should take. Monday through Wednesday, you should be choosing your animal and researching your animal, getting at least 3 facts for each area, and I'll explain that in just a moment. Wednesday and Thursday, you're creating your animal. That means you're making your animal at home. And then on Friday, you're going to complete your seesaw assignment. So that's your suggested timeline for the project. So in order to complete this assignment, you're going to use the library website. You're going to go to PebbleGo, or you can use any of the other research sites on the library website, or you can use Epic. So don't just go to Google and search for your animal. Use the library website or Epic so you can find facts and information within the books found there. And as you are researching, this is how you should take notes. So make sure you're paying attention to this part. So find a piece of paper. Any paper will do. I just broke this page up into 4 boxes to help you organize your notes. So the first area you're going to take notes on is the habitat and diet of your animal. So where it lives, what it eats. So in that first box on your piece of paper, you're going to write your information in here. So if it lives in the grassland, and sometimes in forests, and mainly found in Africa, and maybe your animal eats ants and other insects that it can find. So that information would go in the first box. Under fun facts, any other information you find interesting about your animal can go in this box. There are no requirements, just anything that you would like to include about your animal. Down in the bottom left box, additional information. So again, anything you want to share about your animal. So in each of these boxes, there should be at least 3 pieces of information. At least. So you can share as much as you would like, but you should have at least 3 parts, 3 facts in each of those parts. Because on your seesaw assignment, what you're going to do is your sheet's going to look just like this. You're going to put the name of your animal up on top, and then you're going to list your facts about the habitat and diet and your fun facts. So in your seesaw assignment, you can type those, you can draw those, you can use the microphone to record. All that information is in the seesaw assignment. You will also have a slide to list additional information you find and to upload a picture of your animal. So this is a picture from one of those sites that you can copy and put in there. And then on the last slide of your seesaw assignment on Friday, you're going to upload a picture of your creation. So this is the animal you made. So if you chose a lion and you made a lion out of paper plates and tissue paper and you colored it, you'll take a picture of that and upload that into your seesaw assignment. And all 3 of these slides will be described Friday in your seesaw assignment again. So I just want to prepare you for that right now. So you are listening to the instructions, and you should have an idea of what your requirements are for the week. So again, you are choosing an animal, learning about it, and then you're going to build or create an animal at home. You have the whole week for this, so you should be choosing an animal today and restarting your research. You have all of Tuesday to do that as well. Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to make your animal, create it, build it at home, and then on Friday, you're going to complete your seesaw assignment. If you have questions, I have additional videos for each day, or you can reach out to your teacher. Thank you.